What's up, y'all? It's Friday. Here's the thing about me. I forget things and I don't know if I did something. But I do know that I never had this like this. This has always been like this. So I'm like, did I accidentally move it like while using it? Like pushing it back, doing this and stuff? But I don't remember doing that. And so I'm just like, I'd be so paranoid. Now I'm about to go watch my security footage. So I'm off work. I'm gonna try to be productive today. It's Friday. I'm tired, so I'm gonna try to take a little nappy nap. I got my timer set for an hour, so in the event that I fall asleep, I'll be up within an hour. So I'll be back. So I don't think I recorded since I woke up, but I did take a little nappy nap. I set my alarm for an hour. Woke up. I've been sitting here trying to finalize some stuff on Canva. I'm doing some stuff on Canva. Also, I've been waiting for a package which is these, because I love chips so much. So I'm about to see if I can create a planner or a calendar, because I'm doing a healthy hair challenge. More information on that coming soon. But I'm watching YouTube. I've been watching HBO Max for the longest. I watched, I think, 2 series on there, and I'm on the 3rd one. But I'm like, I've been neglecting YouTube. So I love watching YouTube because I feel like I get a lot of inspiration from watching the YouTubers that I watch. But I'm doing a healthy hair challenge starting January, so I put together like the rules for that, and I want to see if I can create a planner or a calendar or something for it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm making dinner. It's pretty late, nothing fancy. Cheddar broccoli rice and shrimps. I'm probably gonna put some raw broccoli with it because I don't feel like cooking broccoli. Simple. It is Saturday at 5 o'clock and the rain is doing the most. It literally just quieted down a little bit, but it's raining so hard. It stopped and started again. I'm probably gonna go sleep on my couch if it keeps up because it's entirely too loud. I don't really hear it if I'm on my couch, probably because I'm not so close to the window, but this is just too much. For what? First of all, it's cold. But I'm just going to my car. I really should carry up a case of water, but who want to carry up a case of water a flight of stairs? Not me. And I knew last night that I didn't have no water in my house. I should have grabbed some yesterday, but I'm lazy. It really looked like it was not raining cats and dogs a few hours ago. I should just carry a case of water up, honestly. And I need to re-up on some water because this is all I got. And like 3 gallons in there. I be having the most random stuff in my car. Like, why is that shirt in there? Why is that envelope in there? Those empty bottles are in there because I poured water in my... My car is so dirty. It's so dusty back here. I ought to be ashamed. Is this a plant or the biggest bug I've ever seen in my life? Oh my God, what is that? Now I'm out of breath. But I just went ahead and brought it up because I just be being too thirsty. Let me breathe. But I do always keep at least a case in my car because I be so thirsty. I need to make sure I have water on me at all times. Hello. Hello everyone, good morning. I feel like my neighbor is mowing the sidewalk or something. But I'm gonna try to be productive today. I'm either gonna make a wig or start coloring these bundles. I don't know. But I need to right now. I need to wash my wigs too. I need to right now. I'm about to set a timer for like an hour and go through my file cabinets again because I need to find my birth certificate. The fact that it's missing is just, it doesn't make sense. I feel like I have 2 copies and I don't know where they are. So I'm gonna go through my stuff again because there's not many places that my birth certificate would be. So I'm about to do that, and then after I'm done with that, try to have a productive day. So I've gone through my file cabinets and this other little thing I have full of like my diplomas and stuff. And the birth certificate. I have one more thing I can go through, which is a book bag full of folders. Where is my birth certificate? I feel like I was robbed. What kind of scams can people do with a birth certificate? Because where is it? Hello everyone. I'm supposed to be vlogging. Dr. Gabor, cover your face.
What the? Millie do hair.
And I'm gonna say, what does that have to do with this video?
And she be doing vlog things. What's it called?
As in,
hello, Millie Gabor Vlogs. I am Jocelyn Gabor. And I am cuter than
like
Millie
dread
Gabor.
natural. But I don't do those, but I do like regular natural hair. I am so done. Yes.
Okay, don't
My ball ugly. What the stickers at?
Stickers make everything better.
Right. Can I drop the stickers? Oh, no. Hello, y'all. So I am randomly about to make some banana pudding because 1, I love banana pudding. 2, I got leftover stuff for Thanksgiving. I could just save it for Christmas, but I want it now. I normally only eat banana pudding maybe 2 to 4 times a year. I make it every year for Thanksgiving and every year for Christmas, and randomly like 1 or 2 other times during the year. So because I just want some, I'm gonna make a small bowl. So last time I made this, first of all, I usually make mine in a bowl. And last time I made this, I was on the phone, so I really wasn't paying attention. So, and I ended up running out of like bananas. Me personally, banana pudding is not good without bananas. Like my auntie doesn't like bananas and my brother is allergic, so they eat banana pudding without bananas. I think that's the nastiest thing ever. So because I ran out of bananas on the one I made for me, like some of it was just like banana pudding with cookies, and I didn't like that. And this is only going to be for me. Not sharing this with anyone. So that's why you see me eating and licking my fingers. Like I always say, I make banana pudding real basic. That's why I hate when people be doing extra. It's like, if y'all don't get that box of vanilla instant pudding or banana, sometimes I use banana, but mostly I use vanilla. Vanilla wafers. Look, I be getting so upset. None of that chestnut cookie crap. No Cool Whip. Like, y'all be doing too much. And I do like a lot of cookies, but I gotta have enough pudding to go with the cookies, because if it's just too much cookies, I like my cookies soft, so if it's too much cookies, first of all, the pudding can't moisten it all, and then second of all, not a baby crying. If y'all can hear that, I'm watching YouTube, so even though it's in the front room, kids be crying for no reason. I hope I didn't do too much with the cookies, because sometimes I do. And then the pudding can't soften up all the cookies. It gotta be the right ratio. Like, I can kind of deal with too much pudding, but too much cookies and not enough pudding, that just don't work. I mean, I do love a lot of cookies, but the pudding gotta moisten them all. I like it better in a clear bowl, so I can see how the pudding is like falling in between the layers. Y'all, another pet peeve of mine. I am so petty. But another pet peeve of mine is when people crumple. First of all, use Cool Whip like that. No. And when people crumple up cookies on the top, like, what is you doing? I be getting so upset. I don't crumple cookies on the top. I might, if I'm at the end of the bag, I might put, like, dump the end of the bag. But I'm not crunching up cookies. I guess because I like cookies so much. And I don't eat vanilla wafers by themselves. Like, I'm not about to get, like those leftover vanilla wafers I had, they were just in the cabinet in this box. Because I'm not about to eat vanilla wafers by itself. I did taste it to make sure it wasn't stale. But I don't like the taste of hard vanilla wafers by themselves. And I do like to push mine in because it tells me, you know, if I can add more cookies. I got a glob of pudding somewhere and I can go ahead and add another cookie. So, I don't know if I'm going to make banana pudding for Christmas since I'm making banana pudding now. I might, cause I just love. I might actually, cause I still got a box of Jello on there. All I need is bananas and another thing of cookies. I really should have made this morning. I was being lazy, so that way I can eat it tomorrow morning. Now I can't eat it till Monday. Like it's 10 o'clock right now. I like my pudding to rest, set up at least 24 hours. I'm not gonna eat it before 24 hours. I mean, I get a little taste, but it's not good enough for me to eat. Cause my cookies don't be soft enough. It don't be together like it's supposed to. You gotta wait 24 hours. All right, so that's that. Couple of things. My garbage be smelling like, and the garbage, the dumpsters. I'm like, what is it called when you throw the garbage away? The dumpsters is a mile up the street. Second, I needed to go to Walmart. My cousin's like, you go to Walmart every day. I'm like, I be needing stuff. I did not realize that this full garbage is my last garbage bag. But I just not ran out of garbage bags. I've been here 4 months, just not ran out of garbage bags. I just ran out of paper towel. I think last week, re-up on tissue. And I'm still not going to buy in bulk. Even though those things were not in bulk. It was 1 pack of tissue, 1 pack of paper towel, 1 box of garbage bags. But if I bought in bulk, I'd probably have stuff forever. Also, I realized I never be closing out these vlogs. And that's because I don't know what I'm going to post on. Like, because I don't vlog every day, like I don't post a vlog every day, I kind of group the days together. I never know what days I'm gonna group together until I'm like, okay, I got like 10-15 minutes worth of stuff, let me go ahead and post that. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna post, I think yesterday and today, I'm gonna post that right now. Well, I gotta put it together, so it's probably gonna be posted by midnight. It takes forever putting videos together, y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna actually say goodbye. Thank you for watching any videos you watch. Today is day 11 of Vlogmas. So if you watched any of my other videos, thank you. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm like stuck at 4:30. I keep going from 4:30 to 4:29 to 4:30 to 4:29. I'm like, why y'all keep unfollowing me? But I really want to get 500 by the end of the year. I really wanted 1,000, but I mean, I think I can at least get 500. So let your homies know about the. Yeah, this is my favorite filter. And my birthday is in a week and 1 day. And I have 0 plans. Tomorrow, maybe, hopefully, because I have to go to work at 12. So hopefully, maybe when I get off, because I won't get off too late, I can make my nails. I'm going to, even though I have no plans, I probably won't be doing anything on my birthday. I'm going to make me some press-on nails because, so yeah. And I'm literally going to wear them for my birthday because they're going to be too long for me to do hair in. I'm thinking about making a long set and a short set so that I can have nails on. So, I mean, I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYL.